Whether you want to take cinematic videos or just want to have fun flying one, a drone can be quite useful to have. As there are a lot of drones, we are here with some of the best drones under $500 price range. You can find their major features and options listed along with a complete detailed buying guide. That way, you can straight away choose the perfect drone for you by following this article until the end. Number 1. DEERC D22 GPS Drone. DEERC D22 GPS Drone DRC is a popular brand that sells kids' toys including RC cars, RC boats, drones and supporting accessories. The D22 drone from DEERC uses 2-axis gimbal and EIS technology that improves image stability by reducing blurring. With this drone, you can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second that are clear and very detailed. Besides, the 5 GHz frequency offers transmissions up to 3,900 feet FPV and delivers live feed without any lags. The drone has a 4K UHD camera with 5x zoom using which you can take high-quality photos at a closer look. You can adjust the lens up to 80 degrees that allow you to take photos from creative angles. You get 52 minutes of flight time with the 2 batteries. When you want to carry the drone, you can fold it and keep it in its case for convenience. The drone is equipped with several features that make flying this drone safe and exciting. If you are a beginner, the functions altitude hold, follow me, waypoints and circle flying make flying this drone very easy. The GPS and auto return feature ensures that you do not lose your drone and it returns automatically to your location. Number 2. DJI CP.MA Mavic Mini Combo. Any list of best drones would not be meaningful if there isn't at least one product from DJI. As you would expect, DJI offers a great combo pack for the DJI Mavic Mini that comes with a wide range of useful accessories and tools. DJI's Mavic Mini Combo is the second drone in the list as it offers the best accessories in its combo. You get a total of 3 batteries and a 2-way charging hub in it for a long flying time of up to 30 minutes. It even includes various propellers and propeller guards. All of these things can be easily carried in its included carrying bag that is of high quality. This DJI Mavic Mini drone is quite small and compact and offers a foldable design. It means that you can easily fit this 249-gram drone almost anywhere. Despite the small size, you can record up to 2.7K video with this drone that is possible because of its 12MP camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini. If you are simply for a drone and its controller without all the combo accessories, then the standalone DJI Mavic Mini from DJI can be an excellent pick, especially for those who are on a budget. This DJI Mavic Mini is the third drone in this list as it is the cheapest option here. As per its name, it is the base package and does not come with any accessories at all. While you can buy accessories separately, this might be an issue for some users, especially beginners. So, we do not recommend this drone if you are a beginner or planning to buy your first drone. Chose the combo from DJI instead. Although, the drone itself is exactly the same with the same 3-axis gimbal 12MP camera. You can easily control and fly this drone using your smartphone and the included controller. It supports both Android as well as iOS for the smartphone app. Number 4. DJI Mavic Mini Drone. We have yet another DJI Mavic Mini combo that comes with various accessories that might be handy for some users out there, especially beginners and first-time buyers. You get a wide range of accessories included in this combo of the DJI Mavic Mini. One of the best things about this is that you get a large and high-quality camera bag from Tamrac with it. This bag can be used to easily carry all of the included as well as any extra accessories for your DJI Mavic Mini. It even includes a high-speed 32GB micro SD card that ensures that you do not run into any issues while recording 2.7K videos. Speaking of the videos, this drone gives smooth video results because of its 3-axis gimbal setup. You also get a pretty great 30 minutes long flying time with it for ease of use while flying this drone for a long period of time. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Portable Drone. As mentioned earlier, you can find a wide range of combo and accessory packs for the DJI Mavic Mini. This one is called the Starters Bundle and is slightly better than the base bundle of this drone. This DJI Mavic Mini Starters Bundle is another option to consider if you are on a budget. While it has basic extra accessories like a cleaning kit, propellers, and cables, the price is quite decent. As you would expect, it also includes everything from the Mavic Mini base bundle, including the battery, charger, and controller. One of the best things about this DJI Mavic Mini drone is that it is quite small and compact. It even offers a foldable design for easily storing it anywhere you want to. Its 30 minutes of flying time ensures that you do not have to replace batteries again and again while recording videos. As for the videos, you can either record FHD or 2.7K videos as per your wish.